This video is a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process of how to add a family portfolios on the Investmates app. On the Investmates home page, click the side menu option. Click on the Manage Linked Accounts on the menu page. Click on Self on the top right to see Manage Family option. Next, click on Manage Family option at the bottom. This will open a page that allows you to add a new member in two different ways. The first way is to add the member by clicking on Add New Member and adding their details. After that, you will be prompted to add their assets as well. For more details on linking assets, watch the Linking Portfolios video. The second way to add a new member is to click on Invite Family Member and enter a phone number to send an invitation. You can also do the same from Wealth Dashboard as well as shown in the screen. Now click on Self on top right corner to Manage Family option. Next, click on Manage Family and follow the same steps to add family portfolio. Thank you for watching the video.